Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you power off your Infinix smartphone. Guys, you want to power off guys your Infinix smartphone, so guys you can power off. And guys, now let's see how to power off Infinix smartphone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So guys, how can you power off guys? Let's see. So first of all guys, you can see guys your power off button. So we will press it. So you can see guys this power off and restart. So you want to power off, so guys we will power off from here. So guys press here, then guys it will power off. So I hope friends you have understood how to power off Infinix smartphone. Guys you want to on, so guys we will again guys tap here, means guys press, then guys your phone will on. Infinix guys you can see powered by Android. So I hope friends you have understood how to power off Infinix smartphone. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching. So it will on in within 5 and 10 seconds. Infinix smartphone. So we will draw a pattern. So guys wait here for 5 and 10 seconds, so as you can operate your phone. That's it, bye.